Guys, let me take you back to the home. Welcome again to my page. My video survival skill in Uttarakhand, district Almora, small village Bular. I am exposing to the natural places here. How we survive, how the people used to survive here, and we have explained you many things. I've exposed to the various lakes, various new herbs here, and one vegetable lingora, and many other things I already exposed to you, like Tusera, Kandali, Bichu ghas we called. Now we are heading back to our home so that we can cook that the lingora. And guys, very tiring. We thought we'll take bath in river, but it's not the right time. This is going to rain. It's a environment, the climate is changing. As you can see, when we came, the sun was too sharp, and now clouds, clouds are visible. So clouds are surrounding us. So we don't want to take risk because we don't know the nature here. Suddenly it will become sunny, and at the same moment it will be very much cloudy and storm, and it will be very much raining. Hailstorm is common here. Hailstorm means ole we call.
One more thing I want to show something you do.
It's great. I open the camera.
This is called Peru.
This guy is opening it.
It's called Peru. It's a dropping from the.
Oh, these big trees. I'll show you guys.
It's called a carpin. I don't know what's the name of the
Cheed.
Cheed in Hindi.
You call it cheed, right?
Yeah.
This is a big tree, guys.
And the government using this one. They are burning it. They are burning it, and they are making a charcoal.
Oh, it's used for making charcoal.
From this one.
Oh.
So you can use as a fuel. When you burn it, it's a very flaming product.
It will catch fire easily.
Catch fire easily. It contains the fire catching product.
Oh.
So now the government collecting this one, especially in Uttarakhand, and in the factory they are producing charcoal for cooking purpose, for other things. So we are using this leaves as an energy product.
So making the energy.
Yeah. So this is called Peru.
Peru, but it's very slippery, guys.
Yeah, very slippery because contains like a kind of product which is very slippery. It's
Oh.
like a very sticky product. Yeah.
Great.
This sticky product is not.
But it's falling here in mountains means it can cause a fire, right?
Yeah, cause of fire. Yeah.
Forest fire.
Because of this, there's a many times they got fire.
Oh,
This way.
there's a limitation.
Yeah.
Disadvantage of this thing.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is basically for 1 or 2 months.
oh, it's a tenure is 2 months only.
Yeah.
After that, this will not fail.
Will not fail.
Why?
Because like the weather, it depends on weather.
Oh, it's summer season only, right?
Only.
Oh, just like we have spring season.
Yeah.
All flowers will fail.
Yeah.
Like that, for this particular tree, spring season comes in summer.
Yeah.
You want to say?
Yeah.
Guys, this is a new thing.
March, April, May, June.
Oh God, I was about to fail.
My goodness.
Guys, I'm not. You're thinking I'm climbing normally. No, you can see. You see. This is a mountain we have to climb, and I'm here. I have to cover this much space, and I have to reach that point. With me, these 2 kids are there, and one lady.
It's hard to climb this.
For you, it's okay.
No.
Yeah. Oh, you left the
See my
practice.
face, you can feel my heartbeat. My kacha going down.
This guy is so funny.
Yeah, very tiring.
It's very tiring. Even he's from this village. He was exposed to this place before. Even then, he can feel the pain of climbing. So you can. I can't tell you how it's feeling. It's very hot.
Maybe these kind of things. Maybe like it's enjoyable for you, but for me it's very hard.
I'm really enjoying this place. Surrounded by mountains, trees.
Time.
I think time will be around 1:30 maybe, because it started at 9 in the morning. Yes. Why I'm showing you this video is I want to show how hard it is to climb. It's like climbing some Everest. I want to see the expressions. It's the natural.
This is one of the best friends for the mountain.
See,
people.
he's using this stick for climbing.
This is a mountain. This is a mountain.
Actually, it was with me, but I want to show you the place.
This is a real friend. This is a real friend of mountain people.
So next time, if you visit any mountain, take this stick.
With the help of this stick, you can climb up as much you can.
Oh, this lady is keeping that in her head. See, this is a new way of taking. सर पे लटके ला रहे हैं. Great. Oh, chal means go.
So I feel like so
Say
We
move.
call it in our language Kuturiya.
Kutiri.
Kuturi.
This Gadwali language is very good here.
Kuturi.
Guys. Oh, what is this? People. What is this?
I can play a song.
So first tell me what is this?
I can-
Why people have cut these trees?
This is called Gindika.
Why they cut it?
Gindika.
Why they cut it?
This is for the wooden purpose, for fire purpose.
Oh, you don't have gas.
We
Gas
do have-
connection.
We do have gas as well.
But then why they are using this for fuel?
This is like something very good for cooking. When you cook anything on the gas,
Huh?
that must not really tasty. When you cook anything on this fire, wow! Every
Oh,
dish
like barbecue.
yeah,
Oh,
every dish will be very tasty.
in the charcoal and all.
Yeah, I can make. I know Garwali song.
Oh, it's very great. This
I can make a song.
this way will become good, bro.
Yeah.
This path will become short.
Yeah.
Can you please sing a small song?
Yeah, but I don't know what to sing.
Just try once. It will be entertaining.
Huh?
Guys, now you listen the Garwali song,
Yeah, I will.
local song of here.
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you call this? I can create a song now.
Oh, you are a composer.
Yeah, I'm a composer. I'm a disposer.
Hey, you are a multi-talented person.
Yeah. Yeah.
I see we come from that place. That far place we came. Very still about to go that place.
राति 9 बजे बेटा आया छ हम खुल गदर कणे हम निंगोले लायो हम तुम चलो रोटी पो हम तुम हाँ हाँ
What that mean?
it means we came out 9 o'clock from home and
In search of Lingola.
searched Lingura and this one, and now we are going back to home.
Guys, we have climbed the mountain. We are back on the top. Still lot to
Just
go.
behind this mountain there is a Bhairanath Mandir.
Guys,
We cannot keep from here, we have to go just to here.
we just covered one mountain and we are on the top. Again, we have to go to home. For reaching to home, we have to climb another mountain. Guys, you can see this village was having only one road in the beginning. Now the government have constructed other road. I'll try to show you that road. That is not fully constructed. If you can see there, that the white color part is a road. And very good air is blowing right now. Small jeeps and all taxi services started there. And we have to go home. It's windy here. They are going. They're leaving me behind. So I have to run. I have to run, guys. There's a local home here near the road. We'll try to go and take water there because I'm very thirsty. Although I could have drink that water, but I want to experiment. They told me it's pure. I believe them, but I just don't want to take risk.
Very hard to climb. You can check my pulse. It's very high. Very fast.
See, guys, I can tell how his pulse is beating.
We express in our language boy Muriga.
They're saying, boy,
Boy Muriga.
we morgo.
Yeah.
Boy, we morgo means I'm dying because of this much
And
travel.
if really tired, then Baba Muriga.
Boy, booba.
If less tired, boy Muriga. Very tired, then Baba Muriga. Agar really tired, then boy Baba Muriga. In our language.
Guys, this is an interesting language, but I don't know when I will learn. I'm trying hard.
We remember our mother and father when they died.
Oh, like we say, oh Jesus, like that. Oh guys, they say, oh my God, oh my mother, oh father. And you can see the beauty behind me. The biggest mountain peak here, called, what do you call that one?
It's called Chachkawadan.
Chachkawadan. That is the biggest mountain point here in this valley.
Range of Chachkar Jungle.
Range of Sanskars.
Chachkar Jungle.
Like where Himalayan range,
Yeah.
we have Sanskar range.
Chachkar Jungle.
Sanskar jungle.
On top of Sanskar, you can see Himalaya from there as well.
Guys, he's saying if you go climb that mountain, from there you can have exposure to the Himalayan range. You can view it. That is great thing. Guide, let me tell you, This place is too hard
Huh?
to climb.
क्या बोला?
I don't know whether I'm able to expose you or not properly, but I'm trying my best. Now we'll go to one village. This is very nearest to this road, this newly constructed road, and we will try to meet some local person. Mr. Rawat, we are going to explore one village there.
Yeah, it's called in local language it's called Talagaon.
Can you talk to them?
Yeah, but
Just have a small intro. Is it possible? I don't know, but
no, I know.
they should not feel bad.
No idea.
Okay guys, let me take you to the village. After that we'll reach our destination. This is not our destination. This is a road
We
near
may stop
to.
this video right now here, then
We'll just pause it. We'll take the permission and I'll come back to you in just 1 second. Here my camera starts. We came to a village. This village is a very old village. Village very old home. I'll tell you this thing. It's the home.
ये सब तो ये तो बहुत भी नहीं पता 100 साल माता 100 साल
चाचा को पूछो ना मकान के बारे में पूरा बताएंगे.
We came to this place and now we met the local person here. यहाँ के local person जिस घर के मालिक है.
राजेश सिंह चाचा जी. ये हैं राजेश सिंह चाचा जी और ये इस इलाके के मैं तो कहूँगा कि इस पूरे इलाके के काफ़ी अच्छे गणमान्य व्यक्तियों में से एक हैं और अच्छा काम हो बुरा काम हो कोई बड़ा डिसीजन लेना हो कुछ भी करना हो तो इनको बुलाते हैं और इनकी उम्र मेरे ख्याल से 80 से ऊपर तो होगी उम्र चाचा 74 साल के हैं और ये बिल्कुल घर का रास्ता है. हर कोई जब यहाँ जाते हैं इनके घर में कोई जरूर रुकता है और यहाँ पे हर हमेशा आधा सौ का होता है चाय कॉफ़ी जो भी है सामान्य ड्रिंक मिलता है. आज यहाँ पे मिले हैं तो आप बात कर सकते हैं उनसे. अब घोड़े में बोल लेते बात कर.
Guys, we will talk in Garhwali language here now and explore him. So आप एक क्या बनाम हो क्या चीज़ क्या बनाम हो
ये दरवाजा बनाना है
यो कम मकान से बोले दरवाजा टूट गई पुरान हो गई
हाँ ये
प्लान कर में लोग
इधर उस दो है ना नीचे दिल्ली वो सड़ गई तो अब दूसरी नई डाल रहे हैं.
अच्छा
हाँ
तो ये आप बना रहे हो उससे
हाँ
ये हथौड़ा और ये छेनी
छेड़ी
बढ़िया.
ये चिड़ का है.
Guys, we just talk about the cheed tree there. This is one of the use of that one. So ये चीड़ का पेड़ अभी दिखाया था हमने आपको उसका यूज़ किया जा रहा है. अच्छा ये काफ़ी मजबूत होता है.
हाँ बहुत मजबूत पानी नहीं लगना चाहिए ना इसमें
अच्छा
बहुत ज़्यादा चलता है.
अच्छा
ये बनाना तो बोले कि मैं करूँ क्या जो
ये वो संगा ठड़े हैं
आज ऐसे करके
हाँ
ओहो
कुछ है ना कंपनी
अच्छा
वो कंपनी में फिटा डालो
अच्छा
और मात चला
अच्छा.
तब तक फिटो
हाँ. चाचा जी हमारे मिस्त्री भी हैं बहुत अच्छे मिस्त्री. उन्होंने घर में यहाँ कई के मकान बनाए हैं.
Oh, he's a builder and also carpenter.
कारपेंटर एंड नो वेरी वेरी जॉली फेस. हर हमेशा हंसते रहते हैं.
That's great.
टेंशन नहीं लेते. अरे हो जाएगा अरे देखे जाएंगे हो जाएगा.
2 दिन निकल गया वो इसका है ना
He's very good person. He's
जो टाइम निकल गया वो
given us a permission to take video of his home. A very old home. His wife is there.
It's almost 100 years old.
He's almost at least
More
100.
than 100 years.
More than 100 years and very still feeling young and very energetic person. Always smiling, smiley face, laughing. It's great. We should learn this thing. I don't know whether we will reach 80 years or not, but you see guys, we have considered the fruit also. The fruit tree here.
देखिए राज बोलो माल्टा ना it's a sweet lime.
Sweet lime here.
Sweet lime fruits.
This is not survival skill. They have bone. They have rope.
This sweet lime, you know, it's just now it's ripe. So when it's ripe, when it's raw, only raw. When it's later, it will become orange color.
Okay.
Not orange, it's like a yellow color. It's called sweet lime.
Okay.
It's a very good juice for the health.
The health, right? And we have this fruit in the Malta, right?
Yeah, we call it
Malta.
Malta.
Malta. Okay.
You see, here is one more thing. It's red soil.
So we have that soil
Yeah.
also.
This is basically we use this one for you know like to you know the
Mopping the floor.
not mopping the floor, just you know like what do you call this? Like you know we make a paste and then you know we apply on the floor
Yeah, yeah.
And then once you apply this on floor, then you can sweep very easily. And this
Is there
side-
any benefits by using this instead
yeah,
of
yeah, yeah.
cement and all?
This is like it's better than cement. When you apply cement, it's become very cold. It's not good for health. But the soil is a very good for health, especially for your food. Yeah.
Oh.
And when you have a house is made of mud, you feel very cold.
Okay.
बहुत ठंडे रहता है घर, बहुत ठंडे रहता है. अगर सीमेंट का घर हो तो घर ताप जाता है, गर्मी बहुत होती है, पंखा यूज करते हैं. पर आप जाइए अंदर मिट्टी के घरों में ये होगा, ठंडा होता है बिल्कुल, ना पंखे की जरूरत है ना कूलर की जरूरत है.
Oh, that's great.
ये है. और ये मिट्टी हर जगह नहीं मिलती, स्पेशल जगह मिलती है, वहाँ जाना पड़ता है उसको लेने के लिए.
It's only soil or
Yes,
anything
sir.
else?
Just not soil. Later we use, like that.
That's great. That's great. That's great. See, and this is one more tree, guys. Here, I will show you. Oh, they have cultivated this aloe vera tree, guys. Aloe vera is so famous. This place is also. Let me show you, guys. This is aloe vera. Here you find aloe vera tree.
Yes, ये एलोवेरा चले. क्या बोलते हैं एलोवेरा?
Guys, you can see here. Its benefits you already know by Patanjali. They are making the product, and this is the aloe vera tree here. Lot of benefits you already know. Google it, search it. These guys are making it home. Means these guys are aware of what is the benefits and what these plants have benefit and all. We find many spaces here. You can see. I show you this Malta. You can see this is Malta. Right. I'm going to make it visible or not.
ये भांग है, ये भांग का पौधा है.
Guys, this is marijuana. Marijuana leaves, which is used as a herbs also in medicine. Although the British government has banned, they played a play, you can say. The British government, they banned in India, and instead of banning cultivation in India, they used to they take this tree to the foreign land, mainly in England and all. They cultivate there and use as a herb, and they make as a ban in India. There are a lot of politics behind that one, but we will not go deep into that part. That is not our motive to tell you. This is, but still, it is cultivating in some part, just for the purpose of some medicine and all. But now it is banned. We are not cultivating it anymore. This is just one tree. One tree you can find. It might have grown like anything, like without any cultivating and all. So it's a one tree only. It's just simple one tree. One plant only is there. They will cut it also. No use now because no one is using it. So now we'll go back. Guys, we came from that place. Let me show you. We just crossed that entire place. See, that's the road which I saw you just 2 minutes before, and we came from that river. Let me show you. Now, going back to home. Still, lot to climb. That's our destination. That's the home of Mr. Rawat. We're going. That is a one road which I show you. That is a new one. An old road which was the only mode of transport and mode of traveling for these guys to the city was that road. Woo! It's too above. You can see that mountain peak. That mountain peak, you can find the road where only 2 and 3 buses will come and they'll go in that bus. Let me show you again, if it's possible to see that mountain peak. Now let us go back to the home. We'll see how they cook that lingura and all. See you back to my next video of exploring Uttarakhand, district Almora, village Gular, the local people, local food habits, natural heritage which they got from their ancestors, forefathers. I'm here to explore all those things to you so that you come to know what all is there in India and the remote places which is unhidden and need to be exposed. It's 29th June 2019, summer season. We came on vacations. Stay tuned. for my next episode. Till then, goodbye.